G'day folks, Mike Hilston here, Chatbot Agency. How you doing? Right, just finished up a whole tutorial. We put together a plan here for takeaway restaurants, food trucks, anyone that's trading right now in takeaway. The training will cover everything from building your food ordering platform. Okay, that is a 1 hour segment. Then building the chatbot, which is another half hour. Okay, and then we've also gone into creating a pixel, setting that up into your food ordering page, and then most importantly, the last bit was is the Facebook ads and how to set up a campaign that directs traffic into your messenger bot, where you start building a list and navigate those prospects into your food ordering. Okay, so now you can start taking orders right now. If you put your head down, guys, in under a day, you should be able to get this up and rolling. Okay, we've just gone through the basics, so this is what you're going to end up with. Okay, something similar to this. So this is an ad. Okay, so that's what your ad's going to look like. Okay, you can take my copy. I'll even show you how to target specifically for that suburb. Okay, so that you can run timely campaigns and effectively hit them, knowing full well that they are Bulimba locals. Okay, then we shop in here, and I'm hungry. Off we go. Let's get dinner sorted out now. So this is what I call the knock process. So we've got that ad. They've clicked on it. That's knock at the door. This is opening the door. Okay? When they click in, they're coming inside to your restaurant. Okay? They are now ordering in your restaurant. Righto, this is all pixeled and all that kind of stuff. Okay, we'll go through that. We'll have a look at the great value pizzas. Okay, we'll swing through those. We will add the cheesy garlic one. I like this one. I'm going to buy the family size one, and we're going to get the thick crust pizza. Add to cart. I am going to order more. And then I am going to go down to the chicken and prawn, and I am going to buy the tandoori chicken. I only want 2 of those because they are really good, and I want the thin base. I'll add to cart now. So I'm going to view my cart. Right now I'm shipping. I can get orders in these 3 suburbs. Okay, but I'm going to buy it from Bulimba because I live in Bulimba. Okay, and I know it's free. The order type is delivery. But I've got to have a minimum of $15 spend. The time of order, it's 5:03 now. I want it at 5:45. Okay. It's such a really good app, I'm going to give 10% as a tip. I'm going to go through. I am now going to proceed with this order. I have taken out the credit card part here, folks, purely for presentation. All you need now is a Stripe account that's connected to your bank account, which takes 5 minutes. Okay, no mucking around, 5 minutes. Connect it to your bank account so you can start taking money. The email address, put in a good email address. Let's say mike@hilston.com.au, and you can send me an email, guys, if you want to find out more about it. Remember, designed, developed, in Australia for Australians and other restaurants around the world. We're going to be living in 12 Smith Street. In Bulimba. I'm pretty sure they can work that out. Okay, I want them. I will pay cash. Okay, that's if we want cash. But a lot of these guys aren't doing it, so we're going to find out later on. Okay, so I'm going to pay in person. Order's done. Rightio, so now I can go around and I can look at other parts that's available here. So I'm going to go back to, I can give them some feedback right now, which is great. You as the business owner will want to know why people are using your service, what's their problems, what can they address right now. So you find it, yes, it was very easy. Okay, I'll give it a 5 because I haven't eaten it yet and I'm pretty sure it's going to taste bloody good. Would you recommend? I would. One sentence, a really great way to order for the family. Type whatever you like in there, guys. Okay, and lastly, would you order again? Yeah, absolutely I would. Now, what we can do here, folks, is that they've got such a thing as a 24 rule inside Facebook. After they place their order, okay, and they're back at that screen, what we can do is, let's say an hour later or whatever, it's basically like, okay, look, you fancy giving us some feedback. That can be all automated, even if they don't go to the contact details page, okay? I've filled in, I'm going to get a reward. How good's that? So I'm going to show this to the server, okay, to redeem a free coffee. Now that could be good when you're walking down the road and you're picking up a takeaway coffee these days. So it's a little bit different, but it can be used. So we're going to serve it a redeem. Okay, and I've got it. Pretty easy. The back end is just your Facebook business page inbox. Comes free with Facebook, folks. Okay, you've got all your conversation there. You have history. Those orders are emailed to the restaurant. They can pick them up off a tablet, a cheap Android tablet with an email address. Okay, you don't have to go overboard. You can handle multiple orders at the same time. That means if you're taking all your orders by phone, you can bet your bottom dollar that people will start ringing up at the same time and you're going to be engaged. When you're engaged, what will they do? They will move on to the next takeaway. This way you can get them in. The only thing I haven't got in there is I've put the credit card bit. That way you can get paid up front. Okay, not hard. We just add that when we build it. When you build it, more to the point. So what I've done is I've put together a full-blown how-to showing you how to target people in your local area, what kind of message to send them, how to build that yourself and the chatbot, all in one platform. Okay? You don't have your website hosted over here. You're not having a separate subscription for your food ordering. You're not having a separate subscription for your chatbot building. You're not having a separate subscription for your chatbot templates. Okay? All that stuff's all over the place. We have it in one area. Okay? To make it easy for you. Okay? So, if you want to have a chat, you want to get cracking on it, just hit us up in Chatbot Agency and we can start directing you into the right area. Okay? Anyway, that's it from me, Mike Hilson from the Chatbot Agency. We look forward to helping you and your business actually start taking orders and keeping all the money. Okay? We'll chat later. See you later, mate. Bye now.